having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, sun moonroof, stow and go, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.